Opening World Cup of the 2014-2015 FIBT season. This is two-man bobsledding from Lake Placid, New York. Rico Peter of Switzerland had strong training times all week long, was also very quick here in the race, coming from 6th place into the lead here midway through the second heat, ahead of the very surprisingly strong Korean squad. After American Stephen Holcomb fell in back of the Swiss, here's another Swiss pilot, Beat Hefty, the two-time World Cup overall champion, coming off of an Olympic silver medal last February in Sochi. The veteran, with his longtime teammate Alex Baumann, move into the lead. Now just a few sleds left. Now the Latvian driver Oskars Melbardis. Melbardis, strong four-man pilot, also a silver medalist from Sochi in the four-man discipline, now trying to establish himself as a two-man specialist as well. With his big teammate Daumants Dreiskens, they were fast at the start, fast at the finish, and they guarantee themselves at least a bronze medal. There was a tie for first place after the first heat between the Americans and the Germans. Here for the American driver, Nick Cunningham, and his brakeman, Wickline. They were falling behind the Latvians all the way down. To make matters worse, at the bottom of the track, the sled ran over a hat. So they fall a 1/10 of a second behind Latvia, but they do guarantee themselves at least a bronze medal. One sled remains in the competition. You recall it was a disastrous Olympics for Germany. They were shut out, no medals in bobsledding skeleton. Well, they enter the new season making a big statement. Francesco Friedrich, a young pilot and former world champion medalist on this Lake Placid track, takes gold along with Thorsten Margis. A great day for Germany to open the brand new season. A big lead over Latvia and USA, the other medalists here. And of course, the World Cup early Run 1 standings are a reflection of today's race.